In this video, I'll quickly put you through on how to choose a default search engine. That's another search engine for your Safari web browser on iPhone. Let's just get right into it. Okay, before we change the default search engine, let's just quickly know the default one. First, I'll tap on Safari. As it opens, I can say hi, all right? I can see Google here. That's the default search engine here. All right, so let's now change it, okay? I'll get to home screen, then tap on settings. As the settings page opens, scroll down until you get to the apps section. Tap on apps. Then scroll down until you go to Safari. Everything is arranged in alphabetical order. So tap on Safari. As the Safari page opens, scroll down until you get to this section with the text search engine. So tap there, you can see Google is the default search engine here. Then you have list Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. All right. So tap on the default search engine you want to use now. So let's go with Bing. So I will tap on Bing, and it's selected. Let's go and confirm. I'll get to home Safari. Okay, let's now search. Hello. And you can see here the default search engine has changed to Bing. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment and hit the like button so that YouTube push this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn more on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time.